Welcome, Esteem viewers, to Entrepreneurial Tips, a platform dedicated to sharing valuable insights and advice on entrepreneurship and business management. So, if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and if you find the video helpful, you can leave a feedback at the comment section. Not forgetting to turn on the notification icon so you won't miss out any of our latest videos. Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to present to you who really is an entrepreneur. But before we dive into the video topic, let's dig deep into the origin of the word entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is derived from the French word entreprendre, which simply means to undertake. And so there are many definitions to define who an entrepreneur really is. There is no single definition, just like management or entrepreneurship. There is no single definition to define these words. Could an entrepreneur be a person who is action-oriented, highly motivated, takes risks to achieve goals? Secondly, could an entrepreneur be a person who sees a need, takes a financial risk, start a business to fill that need? Thirdly, could an entrepreneur be a person who establishes his own business with the intention of making profit? Fourthly, could an entrepreneur be a person who only provides capital without taking active part in the leading role of an enterprise, that has just been like an investor? Fifthly, could an entrepreneur be a person who innovates, raise money, assemble inputs, choose managers, and set the organization growing? So these are all 5 key definitions to who an entrepreneur could be. But the question is, who really is an entrepreneur? Who really is an entrepreneur? Does anyone who owns a business an entrepreneur? Does everyone who invests in a business an entrepreneur? So these are all opinions and from my research. So you can leave your suggestion, your opinion at the comment section to who you think an entrepreneur is. So thank you.